मोगाच्या इश्ट इश्टीन न्हू गोंयच्यो परंपरा हे कार्यावळीक तुमकां सगळ्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार. इश्ट इश्टीन न्हू शेती वो शेतकामत हो आमचो गोंयकारांचो एक पारंपारीक धंदो आनी हो पारंपारीक धंदो करून आमचे जायते गोंयकारांनी पुर्विल्ल्या काळाक आपल्या घराब्याचें उदारपासून केलां. पूण हे आतांच्या काळार आमची चडशीं शेतां आमकां पाड जाल्लीं दिसून येतात आनी थोड्या शेतांनी ती पुरोवन व्हडल्यो इमारती आनी बंगले बांदलेले दिसून येतात. आनीक हाचें कारण जशें आमी जायते जाणांक लागच्यान उलोवन सोदून काडलां तें म्हटल्यार सांगतात ते भाशेन आतांचे नवे पिळगेक हे शेतकामताचे धंद्यान कसलीच आवड ना. थोडे सांगतात ते परी शेतां रोवपाक सोदतात जाल्यार पासून त्या शेतांनी फावो ते कामदार वो वावराडी मेवनात आनी मेवले जाल्यारूय तांचें पगार जें इतलें वाडलेलें आसा तें दिवन हीं शेतां रोवन तांकां कांयच फायदो ना अशें जायते जाणांच्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकूंक येता. पूण तरी आसतना शेतां कशे परी सोंपेपणी रोवंक जातात तें लोकांचे नदरे मुखार हाडूंक लोकांक आदार करूंक फादर जॉर्ज क्वाद्रोस हो एक SVD हे संस्थेचो पाद्री भाव तांकां मदत करूंक सोदता. आधुनीक पद्दतीन कशीं शेतां रोवंक जातात ती तांकां दाखोवंक सोदता. तर आयज हे कार्यावळीन ह्या वेलसांवच्या गांवांत आमी ताका मेवया आनी ताच्या लागच्यान उलोवन भासाभास करून कशे परी तो ह्या शेतकामत्यांक आदार करूंक सोदता तें जाणून घेवया. फादर हेरल्ड टीव्हीच्या नांवान गोंयच्यो परंपरा एक कार्यावळीक तुका माये मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार.
थँक्यू.
फादर हो तुजो फार्मिंगाचो कॉन्सेप्ट कसो आनी केन्ना सुरू जालो आनीक हें करपा फाटल्यान तुजो एम वो हेतू कितें ह्या तुज्या कॉन्सेप्टाची आमच्या TV पळोवप्यांक बारीक म्हायती दी.
इट वॉज इन 2015 आम्ही कॉन्स केलं. 2015 November to be precise. The idea behind this was to mechanize farming because Goa has very little labor, farm labor, and therefore much of the farm labor comes from outside state during the season. That is one. Two, mechanization is going to reduce the cost, and the cost practically is, as one of the farmers says, is below 50% of the actual cost. So
Actual cost with the laborers earlier.
With the laborers earlier. Okay, so today if he brings back his laborers, he will have to pay more than double the cost which he is paying now. It is actually reduced now already by less than 50% of the original cost. Besides that, time is saved. You yourselves have seen the amount of time. He doesn't have to go to the market to buy seeds. He doesn't have to inquire whether seeds are available. Okay, that whole expense is out. He doesn't have to grow it again in a nursery and then get women to take it out from the nursery and put it on the field. All that is over. Laborious exercise is just over. Those are the days gone. When we started in 2015, there was one farmer here, one farmer there, one farmer there, but we were doing it. Okay, for 2-3 years we did that. One farmer, one farmer, one farmer. It was expensive for us because just to do one farmer around the place was very expensive. But then we knew that over a period of time, within the third year already, people started coming together. People started watching. People started seeing. People started seeing profits. People started seeing how easy it is. Life is so easy. Today, this whole area is covered. In Valsavan, now 1 lakh square meters will be here for the next 2-3 days. We will cover this. Like this, we have covered many villages. There is Kuttori Maina, Kuttori, then there is Makazana, there is Kankon, there is in the monsoon we have Kavalosi, we have Carmona, any number of villages. In the first year, 2050, we did only 1 lakh square meters for the whole season. For the whole season, for the whole year, first year. Today we are doing 30 lakh square meters for the year. That's a huge difference, okay? 30 lakh square meters per year. And we are capable of doing 1 lakh square meters per day. Okay, so you can imagine, okay? Actually, if we brought all our machines here, this whole thing is over in 1 day. Okay, 1 day means not 24 hours.
How many machines do you have?
We have 3.
Machines kitli asat tumche?
Yeah, we have 3 machines. Okay, over the period of years, we started adding one machine. Today, we have 3 machines. The machine is something beautiful. It is precise farming also. Whatever the farmer wants, whatever variety he wants of seed plant, we grow that plant in the seed. We bring it on a small tempo, bring it to the site, and plant it for him or her there. So she has a choice. She has a choice. Whatever plant they want, and the machine itself can do wonders. You can take any depth. Okay, you can put the plant deep. You want keep it on top. You can keep it on top. Okay, you want the distance between two plants reduced 12 centimeters,
Okay.
14, 16, 18, whatever you
There's
want.
an
You can
adjustment.
do. As an adjustment.
फादर
Okay.
हे मशीन तुम्ही कोयतान हाडले फ्रॉम वेर डिड यू गेट दिस मशीन
The machine is actually imported from Japan. Okay, there are two companies, one a German company and one is a Japanese company. We tried both the machines. Okay, the German company machine did not work too well here for our Goa conditions. So now we are set with the Japanese machine. We feel the Japanese machine is set over here. Now together with this, we have become too small to cater to the whole of Goa. Okay, too small, and therefore we started training people and training small group of small farmers to take up the same thing what we are doing. And today we have about 5 service providers like us across Goa doing the same work. Okay, we actually require about 250 service providers to cover the whole of Goa. 250 like us to cover the whole of Goa. That is the estimates. Okay,
And-
that will take time.
वॉट अबाउट द फायनान्शियल पार्ट ऑफ इट
Financial.
पयशांच्या बाबतींत आतां
वय.
मशीन चलयतलो जाल्यार तुका मशिनाक डिझल जाय
वय,
मागीर
डिझल,
ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट आहा तें
Yeah.
बी तुमी रोयतात तें त्या जाग्यार शेतांनी हाडपाक सो हाऊ डू यू कवर दीस
So what we did, initially we had to fix the prices because nobody knew anything. So we had fixed prices. Then government intervened in 2016 and they fixed a price. So from 2016 till 2022 we are running on the same price. We have been able to run on the same price although petrol is doubled. Okay, some 60 rupees today it is 100 rupees. We have not changed the price of our work on the field. Other things have changed, labor, everything has changed. We have not changed it. We have kept the same. How we have benefited is mass scale transplanting. So instead of coming and planting 5 farmers here, we are coming and planting about 35 farmers here in one spot. So all that movement of vehicle, all that is cut short. Okay, so economy of scale. So we are able to keep the price. Okay, so price. What we do, the farmer is actually paying us 3 rupees a square meter. 3 rupees a square meter. The government gives the farmer 1 rupee 50 paise. Okay,
Per
from
square
that,
meter.
From that. Okay, 1 rupee 50 paise. Farmer pays us 3 rupees. Okay, so we are not getting any benefit from the government for this work. But what they give us is infrastructure. Infrastructure for buying the machines. Okay, we have a machine for preparing the plants. Okay, automatically with conveyor belts we prepare the plant.
In your nursery.
In our nursery in Raya. So everything is grown in Raya. From Raya in the morning it is transported to site. So we have a machine there for planting the trays and getting the nursery ready. And then we have these machines for transplanting in the fields. It's a win-win situation for everybody. Okay, we without exaggeration are getting 30% profit after all type of charity and discounts and all that. Because sometimes farmers, you all know, they don't pay finally. Okay, if they don't pay, we cannot go searching for one farmer to collect money. And so with all the discounts, we are non-profit organization. We are getting about 30% profit. In spite of all price rise and everything, okay, the farmer is getting much below 50%. Okay, so when you talk doubling income and all, the income is already double for them. Okay.
जोकी बाब एरल टीव्हीच्या नावान गोंयच्यो परंपरा हे कार्यावळीक तुका माये मोगाचो येवकार.
थँक्यू देव बरें करूं.
जोकी बाब तूं हे गांवचो एक शेतकार, तूं शेतां रोयता हांगासर. ही शेतां तुमी रोवपाक लागल्यार कितलीं वर्सां जालीं?
सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार हांव पाली तोळे शेतकाराचें एसोसिएशन हाचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी म्हूण काम करता. सुमार जालीं म्हाका 12 वर्सां. आनीक जेन्ना आमचे डॉन बॉस्को फार्मींग हाचो सुपिरियर आमचो फादर जॉर्ज हाणें हो रायस ट्रान्सप्लांटर घेतलो सुमार 7 वर्सां फाटीं, तेन्ना आमी वचोन ताका मेळ्ळे आनी आमची अडचण्यो आमची प्रॉब्लेमां ताका सांगून दिलें. कित्याक लेबर बायलो मेळपाक शेतान काम करपाक आमकां चड प्रॉब्लेम जाताले. आनीक जेन्ना फादरान हो रायस ट्रान्सप्लांटर घेतलो तेन्ना आमी फादराक मेळ्ळे तेन्ना फादरान आमकां आपणाचे सगळे सहकार दिलो आनी ताणें सांगलें आपण तुमकां आपणाचें मिशीन दिता म्हूण. तेन्नासून आतां सुमार 7 वर्सां आमी फादराचें मिशीन हो रायस ट्रान्सप्लांटर हांगासर वापरतात. आनीक हाचे वयर फादराच्या ट्रान्सप्लांटरा वयर आमकां सामको डबल मिन्स जेन्ना आमकां एक 10,000 दिसपेस जातालो मॅन्युअली ते बायलांनी रोंपपाक, आतां 5,000 उणें तेजेर आमकां गव्हर्मेंट वद्दे पयशे सबसिडी दिता. सो रायस ट्रान्सप्लांटर फादरान घेवन आमकां शेतकारांक जायते बऱ्याक पडला.
म्हणजे तूं म्हणूंक सोदता 10,000 दिसपेस जातालो आदीं शेतान वावराडी घालून, जाल्यार आतां हो ट्रान्सप्लांटर हाडलेल्याक तुमकां 5,000 कमी दिसपेस जाता शेत रोवपाक. फादर आतां तुमचे नर्सरीन ते काम करपाक आनी लेबर आसतलो न्हू?
वय सेम लेबर आसा आतां. द सेम लेबर हू कम्स आउट transporting everything.
Okay.
They are become jack of all trades. Okay. So in the morning, what we do seeding. Seeding we do about 700 trays or 1,000 trays in 1 hour. There. Okay. So in the morning we start at 8 o'clock. Seeding is done. Then we load the same trays. 2 people are there in charge of watering the plants. And that's all. Once we come out, everything is quiet. Nothing is happening there. Everything is happening on site. It is enjoyable. Everybody is happy. The boys who are working on the machines also, we kept a young group to work on the machines because it is they start at 8 and end at more or less 8 in the night, and they are well paid. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. Okay, and especially Goa. If not, Goa would have gone to the dogs. Okay, people have gone back to farming because of this machinery. Okay, we have covered villages. Kuttori Maina is we say 100% because we are doing 4 lakh square meters in one village. Okay.
फादर हें सुरू करपाक तुजे मोतीन केन्ना आनी कशें आयलें?
कशें आयलें म्हणजे I was in Delhi and then these Japanese fellows came there. In Delhi you got Pragati Maidan. Saturday, Sunday I used to go there and watch what is happening. Pragati Maidan. Every time there is some big expo and all that. And then one time it was farm machinery, and these Japanese fellows came there and they were showing they brought all the whole setup in 2013 I think. Okay. I seen all this and I said this will be wonderful for Goa because Goa doesn't have labor. The people who are in the field, real Goans are getting old and their children are not going into the field. Okay. Today you might have read, Herald only reported in a Herald paper, Vikant has written an article on how good youngsters, okay, geologists, okay, then aircraft engineer, they are all come together and they are doing the same thing what I am doing, okay. So the youngsters are coming back to farming. We've got a group of youngsters from Cancun who are doing the same job as I am doing, and they are doing it very well. And we have formed a team network that if somebody gets caught with some problem issue, we fill up the gaps. We fill up the gap, provided they are all following a system where there is no, we call it ethics, okay. So no cheating the farmer first, okay. Good work, genuine work, quality work, so that the concept does not die. see to
You
the
saw
farmers.
these machines for the first time in Delhi
In Delhi.
for
yes.
the farming expo,
Farming expo, yeah.
and from there you ordered.
From there I came back to Goa. I spoke to the department and all that, worked all this business, how we can get the subsidy and all. Finally, we took off here with the agriculture department. Okay, we had some good agriculture officers that time who were really interested. Today, the agriculture department has left it all to us. They don't look at any issue that comes up. For example, this year we had a problem of seeds. Seeds were available. They were got only from one source, National Seed Corporation. So one source of seeds, and the seeds did not germinate. Germination was only 30%, 40%. So nobody took responsibility for that, and nobody took responsibility till today. Okay, so then we had to get to NSC seeds and get replacement of seeds. If you don't have good seeds, you don't have a good crop. Simple as that. So government intervention, although they have department, they have people in charge, but they have now, today they have left everything. Okay, paddy farming, Don Bosco and Father George is doing it. They will do it. Okay, somehow they will do it.
So,
But
Ata Father George is only in charge of this farming project.
yes.
Besides that, you are having any other
No.
responsibility?
I'm not. I'm having only my church responsibility as
Okay.
a priest. Morning, all that church responsibility. Sunday is my church responsibility. After that, my society has left me free to do this. To do this work for the development of Goa and for the benefit of all the farmers.
All the
of Goa.
farmers.
And keeping Goa green. Today everybody is fighting, but on the field you don't find the people doing something really constructive. They do it for one day and after that they are gone. Okay, we need somebody to be constant. Okay.
So, Father, हे आता मेकनाइज फार्मिंग तुम्ही स्टार्ट केलेल्याक जायते तरणाटे जे आदी शेतान काम करूंक फुडें सरनासले थोडे घोडे लजताले थोडे घोडे पांयांक हातांक चिकोल लागता म्हणून कुशीन सतले ते आतां परत येवपाक
येवपाक
लागले
लागले.
आदे बॅक इन द फील्ड.
Yeah, they're back in the field.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
It is beautiful. We know. Okay, because you now this corner, nobody comes here now. No? Once we get on the road, you will see a lot of people standing and watching. We are tat. 2 machines will be running there, and people will simply stand and watch. Okay, then inquiries start. But if you go into the interiors, you will see a lot of youngsters, especially now with the pandemic and all coming back to farming, and they are enjoying it. Okay, they are enjoying it because somehow it was not very attractive earlier. Today it has become attractive.
फादर समज आतां जे गांवांनी कोणें शेतां आपली रोयनात आनी फुडें ताका रोवपाक जाय जाल्यार हाव डू दे कॉन्टेक्ट यू तुका ताणें कसो
Right.
कॉन्टेक्ट करूं?
Contact now, we are well known. All that they have to do is come to the office, okay, and discuss. And we are looking at if one fellow is coming with one small field, say China. The
The area has
machinery
to be-
involved, the area has to be big. So if anybody comes to me and says, we are come together and we want to plant 3 lakh square meters or 6 lakh square
Okay,
meters,
okay.
we are ready to do it. Okay, we will tell from starting to ending point everything, and we will do everything for them and
So it
change the
will be
whole.
viable only if there is a group of farmers.
Yeah, group of farmers need to come together.
To come together.
Okay, group of farmers need to come together because cost reduce.
Cost reduce.
Okay, and now what happened? We are fully time bound. Fully time bound means fully time bound. Okay, monsoon and Rabi we are fully time. But what we can do, we make space. Okay, we make space inside, but we need area. We need area. And further, what we are looking ahead now is they are putting fertilizer. They are going inside and putting fertilizer. Okay, some problem as a pest control, मागीर ते spray मारपाचे. How they will do all this? Okay. So in the next season monsoon we are introducing the drone. Government of India has agreed to. Okay.
For pesticides.
For fertilizer,
Oh.
organic fertilizer, whatever you want to. Whatever they are doing operations by hand, that will be done by drone within no time. Again, it will fall half the cost. Okay. So time factor, cost factor. You just bring a drone here, 1 lakh square meters in within 1 hour, it is over. Okay, everything is over. So control, minute control of the growth of plant can be taken care of. Also, with the drone coming, fertilizer application on soil will not be there. Fertilizer application will go direct to plant, leaf base. So therefore, the soil condition will remain intact. Now what happened? All the residue of the fertilizers going into the soil. So that also will go away. So that is the future what we are looking at.
What about the weeding part of it, sir?
So weeding part of it, there is, which is the major part now. Okay, so the major part is, there are weedicides for that. Weedicides, okay. So the weedicide also will be put on drone, through drone facility, okay. And we already, it's a package. When people come to us, we tell them what's to be done to look after your field. So now this is 6 years, we don't have to tell them anything. They know what to do. Exactly, okay. What is applying, when to apply, everything they know. We also have no work here. We have only one work. Come, plant and go away. आज काम झालं मरे, आले अपना काबा झाले.
Next
Responsibility is them. Next year we will come back.
फादर, तुवें तुजो वेळ काडून, मोलादीक वेळ काडून आमच्या TV पळयणाऱ्यांक भरपूर हे प्रोग्रामाची म्हायती दिली. हेरल्ड TVच्या नांवान तुका चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू फादर, थँक्यू वेरी मच.
Thank you very much and wish all of you all the best. Herald has always been highlighting our work for many years here and there. Okay, and we appreciate Herald because it's carrying the message, the good message to the people of the world. Okay, thank you very much.